To make these savory bread sticks, we will first do the filling. After doing the filling, I will tell you what I am going to do. So first thing, we will put the oil and put all the vegetables, meat, and make a nice filling. After filling, we will think about it, what we are going to do. To do the filling, first thing I put a little oil in the pan. The vegetables. The vegetables which I am using, finely chopped onions, capsicum, carrots, cabbage. All that we will put first. Right? All that put together, we are going to make a nice tasty filling. So to make it tasty, what should I do? Actually, I have to use a little bit of chicken or fish, canned fish you can use, or you can boil the fish and use meat, chicken, meat or chicken, boil and flake it or mince it and use it. All that together, we mix it nicely. See what I am really doing for you. Bread roll, savory bread roll sticks, which I am doing now. Salt, turmeric, pepper, chili pieces, a bit of chili powder, all that I have used. For this filling, I am not using any other ingredients, just making only the filling. I'll dish it out. The filling is ready. For what I am going to do now? Again, if you want, I can just explain to you lastly after I finish this how I have done this. Just a small introduction about it. Spread it out. Nicely spread. Put the filling. Mix it nicely. I want this into the bread dough. Into the bread dough. This bread dough is generally to make all this. Even to make the bread, we use this bread dough only. It's a oily and a little sticky. I'll put a little flour and roll it. More flour I need so that it will come out well. After mixing it well, smaller quantity. That's why all the vegetables which I used, what I did was cut into very small pieces. Take it like this and twist it, twist, twist, and have it. On the baking tray, I'm going to put it with a little butter on it, and you place it on that. To make this bread dough, I will explain to you how I have made this bread dough, but most of you know my bread dough, how I have done this. See, even like this you can have it to the shape you want. Just place it like that. These are the only shapes I am doing for you, so that you will know how these sticks are done and how we are going to serve it. Right. Now we have done this. Now what I am going to do for this is egg yolk. I am just brushing a little egg yolk on all these. Sesame seeds. Healthy, good, nourishing preparations that you can do it. 180 centigrade, 360 Fahrenheit. I am going to bake for 20 minutes. We will bake and take it. Bread roll, that is savory sticks. We have done it. See how nice it looks, right? We can nicely have this for a tea time, give for children. It's beautiful, so that you can nicely serve this type of preparations. Even for dinner, you can have this savory sticks. Savory, because there is savory filling inside and it will be nice. Okay, so we will have this and we will see how we are going to assemble this. It's a decoration. Okay, I'm doing a bit of decoration for you with the parsley. You know, generally when we have a meal, what do you think? First we eat with our eyes, isn't it? So when you eat with your eyes, you really want to try this out. Now, what shall we do? I have some cheese cream and this is ready for me, and my cheese cream is also ready. So what will I do? I take one of these, I break it and dip it in this cheese cream and have it. Tea time savory sticks I have done for you, and I hope you will enjoy preparing this. And with the grapes and other things that you want, you can have it, so that the fruits also you can have it, and the cheese sticks also you can have, and these savory sticks also you can have with the cheese cream. It's delicious, it's nice, giving for children. Tea time, anytime you can make this and keep for a day, and then you can warm it and serve again. It's nice. And dinner time also you can serve. Try this out and see how it looks, how the taste is. If I tell the taste is oh good, that won't do. You prepare and you taste it and let me know. Till then, I'll wait for you. Now I will say bye from me now. You know why? I will be preparing for the next episode. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Bye.